Hey guys, I'm Miuccamatics and welcome back to my YouTube channel Miuccamatics. Today I'll be doing the proof of why any non-zero number raised to 0 equal to 1. So why x raised to 0 equal to 1 where x is not equal to 0. Now we know x raised to n is basically x multiplied n times. So I'll show with an example. So basically x cube is x multiplied 3 times with itself. X square is x multiplied twice. X raised to 1 is x multiplied once, so just x. So if by this logic, if you notice from one step to the next, we basically divide by x. So in this case again we divide by x to get x. So basically from this we can get x raised to 0. From x raised to 1 we just divide by x. So x upon x. And now since x is non-zero, it can cancel off to give 1. Now our general proof is basically x raised to 0 can be expressed with the help of some number n. So basically it becomes x raised to n minus n. So by law of exponents this can be written as x raised to n upon x raised to n. This is the law of exponents. X raised to m upon x raised to n is x raised to m minus n. So basically suppose we have x repeated m times and x repeated n times. So x raised to m minus n is just this. So basically it will be x raised to m divided by the x raised to n part. So now we know x is non-zero. So basically x raised to n can cancel out with itself to give you 1 as x is non-zero. So that's the reason any non-zero number raised to 0 will be equal to 1.